Ako mismo, I'm from Davao. I can tell you, Davao City is the safest place anywhere I go in the Philippines. The safest place for law-abiding citizens and the most dangerous place for the criminals. Talagang pag gumawa ka ng krimen ng Davao, pulis ako ng Davao, hahabulin talaga kita. Hahanapin talaga kita, Mr. Chairman. Pag ikaw gumawa ng krimen sa aking syudad, hahabulin talaga kita. Kaya po...
Mr. Chair.
Ay, para pagbigyan sila. Sige, sila na naman.
Sige po. Okay lang? Okay na. Sige.
Okay lang.
Just last statement before I wrap up, before I give the floor to Senator Risa. I just would like to put on record the statements made by former Senator De Lima. During the investigation here in the Senate, during her term, when she was still a senator, wala pa rin nakitang ebidensya tungkol dyan sa mga DDS na tinatawag. Nung CHR chairman siya, wala rin nangyari sa mga investigation at wala pa rin nakitang ebidensya. Nung secretary siya ng DOJ, which is a very very powerful cabinet position, wala po rin siyang mga nakitang ebidensya. At hanggang ngayon, yun pa rin po ang sinasabi niya, wala pa rin gustong mag-testify, wala pa rin siyang kinakasuhan. So I think that is a matter of incompetence, Mr. Chair.
I take
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
exception to that, Your Honor.
Okay, to be fair, sige. The chair will be fair. Excuse me, everybody, Mr. President, teka muna. Sige,
Hindi ko po
yes,
nagustuhan.
Senator De Lima, sige, short
Hindi ko po
response.
nagustuhan yung ganung conclusion na wala akong ginawa o that incompetent. Malayo pong description sa akin yan. I always do my job. Depende sa mga circumstances. Depende rin sa kung ano talaga yung makakalap. And hindi ho tama na nung Senate inquiry, kasi nandun po si Matubato. Present ko nga po. Pero after I presented him, inalis na po ako as Senate chairperson. Now, ano yung tungkol sa safest city?
Ma'am,
What
ma'am,
exactly
excuse me.
is the standard?
Can I stop you there? Wag na natin, let's not debate on the safest city. I mean, focus po tayo, no? A Philippine war on illegal drugs. So, anyway, opinion na po yun. There is no right and wrong opinion. Yes, Senator Risa.
Salamat kaayo, Mr. Chair. Huwag nating kalimutan, may bombshell na inamin ang dating presidente.